Why you need 30 million coins of OpenDAO, SOS. Welcome to our channel and kindly subscribe in order not to miss our new videos. Disclaimer, the opinions expressed here are not investment advice and are only provided for informative reasons. You should always conduct your research before making any decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. OpenDAO, despite its recent launch, has already begun to generate profits for its investors. In this video, I'll explain why you'll need at least 30 million OpenDAO coins and how OpenDAO can help you become a millionaire in USD. But, before I explain why and what the OpenDAO coin is all about, let's take a look at its past and future value to see if it's worthwhile to invest in. We'll examine the coin's value in 2025, but if you can hold these coins until 2030, a $112 investment today could be worth more than $1,121,000 by 2030 if the coin rises to 3 cents. If you invest $112 today in OpenDAO, you will receive over 30 million OpenDAO coins. At the time of recording, OpenDAO was worth $0.00003739. With a live market cap of $375,596,319 the current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 249. According to analysis, the coins currently have approximately 5 zeros, however, by 2025, the value of OpenDAO could be trading with only 2 zeros, and by 2030, it could be trading with only 1 zero. If this occurs, your $112 investment today is worth more than $120,000. If OpenDAO reaches 3 cents by 2030 or before, your $112 investment is worth more than $1,121,000, making you a millionaire. However, you must be patient, which is why the golden rule applies here: never invest what you cannot afford to lose. Even if you only have 1 million OpenDAO coins, a $6 investment will net you around $6,000 if you purchase OpenDAO at the time this video is created. What is OpenDAO, exactly? OpenDAO enables real-world assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate to be used meaningfully in the DeFi ecosystem through permissionless, trust-minimized, transparent, secure, and automated protocols. OpenDAO can be used to liberate liquidity from productive assets worth trillions of dollars. Previously exclusive returns for the world's elite should be made available to the general public. Increase the blockchain's value more than ever before. Thanks to a new partnership with owing protocol, OpenDAO protocol has taken a significant step toward the creation of their real-world asset-backed stablecoin. OpenDAO is making significant progress toward the creation of a unique proprietary stablecoin with the help of the owing protocol. One of the DAO's pillars, known as OpenUSD at the moment. The owing protocol will allow this stablecoin to be released much faster while also protecting it from attacks. It can be exchanged for other valuable things, such as $open tokens, used for daily transactions, is scalable, permissionless, and will maintain its pegged value. With the addition of the owing protocol, any asset on the platform, including wrapped BTC, LTC, and ETH, tokenized shares, real estate, and even invoices can be locked to mint OpenUSD. Please leave a comment and tell us what you think of this token and kindly like and subscribe.